Nums! On this special day, the ever-brave Bumble Nums will maketh flying dragon fruitcake. But what be the secret ingredient? 4 flying dragon fruit! The Bumble Nums be upon their castle, preparing for the flying dragon fruit to arrive. Right, Lady Humble and Sir Grumble?
Yum!
Right, Sir Stumble?
Yum! 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 Yum!
Look at yonder, Bumble Nums. The flying dragon fruit are breathing fire overhead. You knoweth what that means? The flying dragon fruit be ready for ye flying dragon fruitcake. Yum! Remember, Bumble Nums, ye needeth 4 flying dragon fruit. Go forth!
Yum!
Yum! One.
Yum! Yum! Yum!
2.
Oh, yum!
Yum, 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 yum. Yum! Yum!
3. Ye need just 1 more, Bumble Nums.
Yum! Yum! Yum!
Yum, 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 yum.
Yum! 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 Yum!
Yum! Yum!
Yum! Yum! Yum! Yum! Yum! Yum! Yum! Yum!
Yum!
4.
Yum! Yum! Yum!
Ye hath collected all the flying dragon fruit ye needed. Time to venture to yon kitchen.
Yum!
Yum! Yum!
Huzzah! Thy Bumble Nums kitchen. A most brave entrance. Now, dost ye have the 4 flying dragon fruit? Most wondrous! Now that thou hast thy secret ingredient to maketh the dragon fruitcake, it's time for the cooking countdown! 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bumble Nums, ye hath done it again. Now trieth ye flying dragon fruitcake.
Yum, 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 yum.
Yum! Yum!
Yum, yum, yum.
How does it taste, oh Bumble Nums?
Yum!